In this lecture, you will learn how to add your website as well as your website sitemap to Yandex search engine. Go to webmaster.yandex.com and then sign up for an account if you haven't signed up yet. Once you have logged in, click Start Work. It will take you to this page. Then click Add Site to add your site. Enter the URL of your website and then click Add Site. Once you have added, you will be taken to this page. Now you need to confirm your ownership rights like you have did in Bing Webmaster Tools and Google Search Console. Now click Confirm your ownership rights. Copy this entire meta name and then paste it in your Yandex Webmaster Tools. Then click Save Changes. Yoast SEO will automatically extract the essential meta content alone. Now click Check. Ownership rights successfully confirmed. Now we need to submit our sitemap, right? Go to Indexing Options and select Sitemap Files. Here you can submit the sitemap URL of your website. Go to XML sitemaps under Yoast SEO on the left side panel. Copy link address of this XML sitemap and then paste it in this box. Now click Check. If the result is sitemap OK, then click Add. So you have successfully added the sitemap of your website. So in this lecture, you have added your site as well as the sitemap to Yandex search engine. In the next lecture, let's see how to add your website to Alexa.